This a bad bitch right here.
My bitch is shaking ass with their hand out. 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 My bitch is shaking ass with their hand out. 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 My bitch is shaking ass with their hand out. I'm that bitch. 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 'Cause I motherfucking said so. I'm that bitch. 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 'Cause I motherfucking said so.
Hey my favorite humans, if you're new, hi, my name is Bam, and if you're returning, I love you, bitch. Y'all gotta do the other half of the heart with me because we locked in, period. Thank you for being present with me. We just go get straight into it. So in my last video, I was telling y'all that I'm going to do a shoot for my upcoming new pink collection called Pink Control Mode. It's my press-on nail collection, and if you're new here, I have a press-on nail business and I sell press-on nails and press-on nail essentials. So if you want to check out my website, it's down below, link in description. But yeah, y'all, I'm gonna do a whole photo shoot for my upcoming collection. And in my last video, I was telling y'all that I'm gonna show y'all the props and tell y'all the idea behind it. So we're here to do that now. Before we get into all that, let me show y'all my wig that I curled. Isn't she motherfucking pretty as fuck? Yes. Ooh, she's so fucking cute, y'all. This a bad bitch right here. So I curled my hot pink wig, and y'all can check out the last video of me pin curling it. I'm gonna take it down later in this video, but this is the pin curls, and I'm gonna link the tutorial down below or put it somewhere on the screen, y'all. But this is the wig, period. It's an all pink shoot, so of course I had to do a pink wig. So yeah, this is her. And yeah, y'all, just had to show y'all the wig before I showed y'all the props. So let's get into that right now. For the theme of the shoot, I want to do a Y2K bedroom shoot. Like, I'm gonna have the shoot in here in my bedroom. So yeah, we're gonna set up everything in my bedroom, set up all the props, and yeah, just make it like a Y2K theme. And I also want to do like a jail theme. So I got some handcuffs and like a wanted sign. Let me show y'all. This is the wanted sign. Oh my god, it's so fucking cute. I had this made on Amazon, y'all. Like, period. It's so cute and it looks so good. It's good quality. I love it. When this shit came in, I was like, okay, I wasn't expecting it to look this good, but y'all, this looks so good. It says wanted, and I got my green cat logo right here, and it says Pink Control Mode, charged with being too pink to function. Like, y'all, this shit eats. Then I bought some pink handcuffs to put on my wrist just to match the aesthetic a little bit more. So yeah, y'all, this is how the handcuffs look on my hand. So pretty. These handcuffs came with 2 keys so I can take the cuffs off, but you really don't need the keys to take the cuffs off, y'all. Like, you literally, my boyfriend showed me this, y'all. I was like, what the fuck? But you literally can like press this down right here and get up out of the handcuffs like that. You don't have to use the keys. So I guess it's safe. They wanted to make it safe. So yeah, these are the handcuffs. And finally, I got some mini Y2K posters to go on my wall. I'm gonna set up the whole room, y'all. So I'm gonna take y'all along with me while I set up my whole bedroom for the shoot. I think it has 98 posters in here, and they're different ones. Let me see if I can show y'all a couple more. Like, it's a lot of posters in here. So I'm not gonna show y'all too much. We're just gonna wait until I decorate my bedroom for y'all to see everything. And I also bought some white sheets and a white blanket to go on my bed. I'm gonna show y'all in a minute, so my shoot can look clean and aesthetically pleasing. I already put the white sheets on my bed and everything, y'all, so I don't have to make up my bed or nothing the day of the shoot. So, but yeah, y'all, I changed my whole bedroom around. I moved my bed, I moved my business supplies. Let me show y'all. So this is my bed right here. My bed was on this wall right here, going this way, but now it's on this wall. And I put my white sheets and my white blanket on it with my little stuffed animals over there, period. I'm gonna get some new pillows from Amazon, so do not mind them dingy ass pillows, y'all. Like, literally, I'm buying some new pillows. But yeah, y'all, and I moved my desk right here in front of my window. And I moved my business supplies over here. So this is my desk area. Y'all don't mind my teleport because I've been getting drunk, okay? But that's grown folks' business. Anyway, this is my desk where I'm gonna pack my orders. And over here is my business supplies. I got my nails right here. I gave y'all a sneak peek of my nails in my last video. And we're gonna be packaging nails this video also, so stay tuned for that. But I got all my business supplies up here. I got more things in a drawer. I need to make some more of these. Yeah. Boxes. This is the drawer for the extra shit. Got my nails in this drawer. So like I said, we're gonna be packaging nails, so I need to take all these boxes out in a minute also. But yeah, y'all, and here's my bubble mailers, and here's my UPS bubble mailers, but we ain't gonna worry about these. I'm probably gonna take these out and put these black ones in. So yeah, and yeah, y'all, we're gonna put the posters probably on this wall or this wall. I'm still debating, but we gonna figure everything out once I get there, y'all. I don't know. I've been stressing about so much shit. I don't even know what's going on right now. So yeah, in this video, I'm gonna take y'all along with me to prepare for my Y2K photo shoot for my personal nail brand, my new collection, Pink Atromo. Y'all subscribe to my email list down below. It's in the description. But yeah, I'm gonna take y'all through the process of everything, like put it on a wig, get ready with me. I'm gonna show y'all my outfit. I'm gonna show y'all the nails that I'm gonna be wearing in the shoot, everything, y'all. So y'all stay tuned for this motherfucking video, and I'ma see y'all. We finna package these nails, so let's do that right now. Mwah. Alright y'all, my shoot is tomorrow, and I'm gonna go ahead and decorate my little room, make up my bed, and put up the mini posters that I showed y'all earlier in the video. And here they are right here. I got all of them out. I took them all out the packages, and they're so tea, y'all. These posters are so tea, y'all, period. Like, yeah, we finna go ahead and put these posters on the wall. I don't even know how I'm gonna sort them out yet, but I'm gonna figure it out. I'm probably gonna lay them out on the bed first and then put them on the wall so I can see how I want the posters to be and how I want the order to be and everything.
If you wonder if I hate you, I do. Shitty of you to make me feel just like this. What I would do to make you feel just like this. And if you wondered if I hate you, fuck you. Shitty of you to make me feel just like this. What I would do.
Okay, I think I got it together, y'all. I found the order that I wanted to do with each poster. I really don't know if I should put the pictures on this wall or this wall right above my bed frame. My mirror is right here, so when I take pictures in the mirror, the pictures will be in the background of my photos, and I think that would look so good, but I don't know. I don't know. I don't know what the fuck I should do. Y'all help me. Y'all can't even help me because y'all not here with me right now. This isn't alive. Like, please, I need fucking help. Decisions. Like, your girl is struggling right now. I've been contemplating this for about a couple of days since I even got the posters. Which wall I should put it on, I don't know. I can always move the posters, but I don't want to do all that extra shit, y'all, to be honest. So should I put it behind this wall or above my bed frame? Please, I need help. Somebody help me. But these posters look good. Let me show y'all up close. Period. This is the order. And now we just gotta decide what the fuck wall we finna put this on.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, you can't be replaced. See no one else, let me like you do. That's why I'm mine. I spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world. Don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Our love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on.
I thought it was gonna look crazy for a minute, but I had to trust the process. You always gotta trust the process, y'all, period. But yeah, this is how the posters are looking on my wall. And I had made up my bed and put my stuffed animals. I'm gonna get some more stuffed animals to put on my bed because I want it to be that type of bed. Stuffed animals, pillows. I am gonna order some pillows from Amazon because the pillows that I got ain't giving. I got these 2 pillowcases right here that came with my sheet set. So yeah, I'm gonna order more pillows for that. And yeah, y'all, this is how the little setup is looking. Tomorrow I am doing a get ready with me, and I'm also putting on my wig. I'm probably gonna do a separate video of me doing a wig tutorial, putting on my wig, taking down the curls and everything. So that's gonna be a separate video. So yeah, y'all, but I am gonna do a get ready with me and, you know, prepare to take my shoots tomorrow. So I'ma see y'all. Love you bitches. Okay, y'all, so I'm finna give y'all a tutorial of how I make my custom DIY lashes. So I got these little, I don't know what these are called, but these are called like nail art decorations. And I got some glue and my lashes. So let's get started. So first I'm gonna take the lashes out the packaging, and then I'm going to set them aside on the table. Now I'm finna take 2 of the lashes and stick them together, y'all, because I like my lashes like full and thick. Like, I cannot have no thin ass lashes, so I like to stick my 2 lashes together. Then I'm taking my spoolie to make sure they're blended perfectly. Now I'm taking out the art decorations that I want to use. I usually put like 3 to 4 on each lash. So yeah, this is what I'm doing. I'm setting them aside so I can already have them out when I get ready to glue them on my lash. Now I'm taking my glue and I'm picking up the decoration with some tweezers so it can be easy to manage, and I'm just basically just sticking it on the lash, y'all. Like, it's so simple, so easy. Like, y'all can literally do this at home. Y'all don't have to pay $200+ to go to the lash tech, y'all. I'm showing y'all the DIY baddie on a motherfucking budget way to do things. Like, I'm the definition of baddie on a motherfucking budget. Like, look at that. We got lash extensions at home, y'all. Seriously, like, y'all need to do this. And that's the end of the tutorial. Hope y'all enjoyed. Bye. I just want to show y'all how it looks on my head. This is how it's looking. This is my outfit right here. I got this set from IAMGIA. It's a clothing brand. And it got Gia right there. And this is how it's looking. The material is so good. And also these are the nails that I'm wearing. These are my Y2K Junkie Claws. And these will be available once I launch my Pink Control Mode collection. So yeah, y'all stay tuned, period. Like, these finna eat. So this is the outfit I wanted to show y'all. And I also got some Y2K style glasses. And they got a star on the side when I open them. Hold on. You open it. Yeah, I got a little star when you open the glasses. So yeah, I just paired these with the outfit as well. I don't know what else I'm going to pair with the outfit, but that's all I got so far.
My bitch is shaking ass with a hand out.